Tampa Bay and Oakland, game tied at 1 in the second. Erasmo Ramirez facing Marcus Semien. Watch the ball boy in foul territory. Are you kidding me? How about that for effort? Sign him to a contract. 2-1 Tampa Bay in the sixth. Sonny Gray strikes out James Loney. He doesn't like the call. He's ejected as he gets in the face of the home plate umpire. Now 4-2 A's in the seventh. Billy Burns robs Logan Forsythe. What a play by Burns. Full extension. Absolutely sensational. Next batter up, Asdrubal Cabrera says no one's catching this one. Number 9 on the year. That trims the lead to 4-3. That's your score in the ninth. 2 on, 1 out. Drew Pomeranz pitching. It's that man again. Cabrera at the dish. He goes the other way. It's a 2-run double. The Rays take a 5-4 lead. Bottom 9, last chance for the A's. Alex Colomé gets Marcus Semien to fly out to left to end it. The Rays take it 5-4. Alex Colomé gets his 6th win of the season, throwing 2 scoreless innings in relief. The win puts the Rays 1 game above 500. The series finale is Sunday. Jake Odorizzi up against Kendall Graveman.